The Battle of Saipan, fought from June 15th to July 9th, 1944, was a crucial battle in the Pacific theater of World War II. It was part of the US island hopping strategy to capture key positions from Japan and bring the war closer to the Japanese mainland. US forces, consisting of the 2nd and 4th Marine Divisions and the Army's 27th Infantry Division, landed on Saipan, a heavily fortified island in the Mariana Islands. They faced fierce resistance from around 30,000 Japanese defenders under General Yoshitsugu Saito. Despite heavy casualties during the beach landings, the Americans pushed inland, overcoming bunkers, caves, and suicidal counterattacks. As the battle progressed, the Japanese, realizing defeat was inevitable, launched the largest banzai charge of the war on July 7th, with thousands of soldiers and even civilians making a final, desperate assault. The attack was repelled with heavy losses. Many Japanese soldiers and civilians chose suicide over surrender, including those who leaped from cliffs. Saipan's capture was a turning point, allowing the US to build air bases for B-29 bombers, which later launched devastating attacks on Japan, including the bombing of Tokyo. The battle's outcome significantly weakened Japan's war effort and brought the Pacific War closer to its final stages.